Hi. In this video, we will show you how to set up the Mail app on your iPhone or iPad to use your new mailbox.my email address for sending emails. This way your emails will have your personalized sender address and you can continue using your existing iCloud email account. We assume that you already have set up your iCloud email account in the Mail app. We will add that account again with the same settings for the incoming email, which is still hosted on iCloud. But for sending emails, we will use a different server, since iCloud email will not allow you to change your sending email address. Let's begin. First, we need to generate a password so that the Mail app can access your account when we add it manually. Please open your web browser and navigate to appleid.apple.com. Sign in using your iCloud account. On the Sign In and Security page, scroll down and tap on App-Specific Passwords. A window pops up. Tap on Generate an App-Specific Password. Choose a name for the password, for example mailbox.my. Then confirm password generation by entering your iCloud password. Now the generated password is shown. We will use this password later, do not tap Done yet. Instead open the Settings app. Change to the Password and Accounts tab. We will now be adding your iCloud email account manually. Tap on Add Account, then on Other, and finally on Add Mail Account. A window pops up. Enter your name and your iCloud email address. For the password, go back to your web browser, copy the app-specific password, and paste it. Add mailbox.my to the description so that you can distinguish it from your existing iCloud account. Then tap on Next in the upper right corner. A dialog pops up and tells us that some server settings are still wrong. We will fix them in the next step, so tap on OK. In the incoming mail server section, delete the host name and enter imap.mail.me.com. This is Apple's iCloud IMAP server. In the username field, add @icloud.com at the end. In the outgoing email server, we will enter the mailbox.my server, which allows you to use your new email address. Change host name to mail.emailman.at. Change username to your new mailbox.my email address. We enter John_Apple@mailbox.my here, yours will be different. For the password, open a Mail app and go to the Setup confirmation mail we sent you. Copy the password from there. Switch to the Settings app and paste it there. Then click on Next in the upper right corner of the window. The settings are being verified. On success, you will get to the next dialog, where you can select the apps that should use this account. Mail is already enabled. You can also tap on Notes if you want. Then tap Save. On the Password and Accounts tab you can now see two accounts, your existing iCloud account and the iCloud account with the mailbox.my outgoing server we just added. We still need to change the sending address for that account, so please tap on it again. Then tap Account. In the window, tap on Email. Choose Add another email. Enter your new mailbox.my email. Then hit the return key so that it gets added. Finally, tap on the new email so that it becomes the default sending address. Tap Account in the upper left corner. Then tap Done in the upper right corner. Now let's check the Mail app. You will see both of your accounts are now active and shown there. Of course, they show the same emails, so we really only need one. Go back to the Settings app. Tap on Passwords and Accounts. And tap on the original iCloud account. Then tap on the Mail toggle to disable it. That way, only the account we just added gets shown in the Mail app. Note that this is without risk and will not delete emails. Now go back to the Mail app. It looks as in the beginning, but you can send emails from your new address. So let's do just that. Tap on the right mail icon. Note how the From field shows your new email address. Type the same mail into the To field. And write some text. Then send the email. It should arrive in your inbox a few seconds later. Congratulations, you have successfully set up your new email address. We hope you enjoy using mailbox.my.